How's it?
That is sweet. I like this low angle.
Yeah, it is nice.
You're doing a good job.
Most of you have realized that I changed the logo on my channel to Luther Toolworks. It's on Instagram as well, Luther Toolworks, as well as YouTube. A bunch of the guys from the I Like to Make Stuff group met at a maker house, which is just a house a bunch of them rented to stay the weekend. So if you want one of those logos sent to you, I will gladly mail them out to you. So just email me your mailing address and I'll mail them out to you. Alright, so I wanted to show you some of the stickers that I got at Woodworking in America. I've got one from Tony Rouleau. Got a magnet from Bad Axe Toolworks. Mark Hicks from Plate 11. Paul Granger. A couple of stickers from Matt Cremona. Got a business card from Jack Bench. So sticker from Mike Fulton. One from Fix This Build That. Super nice guy, Brad from Fix This Build That. One from Nick Ferry. One from Sterling Davis, from Sterling's Woodcrafts. One from Wes Swain at Geeksmithing. One from July with Fitz. Also got a huge one from Jack Bench, Jack Bench Woodworking. His name is Charles. So, and also, just thought I'd throw this in there. It's a cool laser engraved. This is the Aztec calendar but they had a laser engraver there, or laser, whatever you want to call it. Epilogue, I think it was. Yeah, it's epiloglaser.com. So they had these free little things here, the Aztec calendar. I thought that was kind of cool. Also, I picked up Mark Spagnolo's book, Hybrid Woodworking, and while I was there, I met him obviously, and had him sign my book. So if you can see that or not, but it says Josh, keep cutting, and then he signed it. Alright, so that's going to do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and consider supporting me by sharing this video and commenting down below. And if you would like to subscribe for future videos that I put out, that'd be awesome too. So you guys have a great day, and God bless.